Z here with Small Scale Development. Today is November 29th. They've got the slab poured with the concrete behind me, as you can see, and right now they're smoothing it out with a fan, kind of a fan machine that gets it all smooth. So here's one that was poured before it's been smoothed out. Here's, you can see it kind of getting smoothed out here. And so I'm gonna we used 80 yards of concrete here, so 40 per side, and so that's what we ordered, and it came out just about right. But I'm gonna just talk about how we actually calculate how many loads to order. So it's Gustavo here. So we've got, the building is 32 feet wide, 72 feet deep. So we multiply 32 times 72, and then that gives us the square footage. We've got to convert it to square yards because concrete comes in yards. So we divide that by 27. So 3 feet times 3 feet times 3 feet is 1 cubic yard. So we divide that number we got by 27. And then the slab is going to be about 4 inches. So we divide that again by 3. So we're not doing one full foot, but we're doing a third of a foot. So we divide it, and that gets our base number. So we came up with 32 times 72 divided by 27, and then divide that again by 3, and we came up with 28.44 cubic yards that we're going to order. But then
well, the block needs to be filled in as well. So then you have all the block, and we calculate 100 block is 1 yard of concrete, and we have about 700, 800 block per building. So that's another 8 yard. But then once you compact your gravel, it doesn't come up to exactly 4 inches. So we always order a little bit more. And when we order yards, it's 10 yards per truckload, and we do 10. We round up to the nearest truck, full truck. So we were going to do 80. We're going to be close to 80 yards or a little bit over. So we ordered 80 plus, but we actually ended up being good with 80 yards. So we didn't have to order any washout.
One other thing too, we also, I don't think we said, is that in between each unit, we had to dig it out a little bit and pour concrete to support the wall. So that also added a little bit of the unit. So I think I said we had 28.44, and that was per building. So about 30 per building, but we added additional, so it was 40 per building, and came off with 80 a piece. That's all for today. Thanks.